Erbil, Iraq, in the Kurdistan region. We're having Melave Malka, the meal is after Shabbat. We're here, we have kosher fish, carp fish, beautiful, the best tasting fish you'll find in Kurdistan. We have kosher bread, we have salads, everything. And this is all thanks to Shahzadi Mr. Yusuf from the KGC, Kurdistan Jewish Community. They all made this possible. We thank them and we wish them much hatzlacha in everything that they do. We're going to say a prayer, okay? We're going to say the Shema Yisrael. Shema Yisrael, Adonai Eloheinu, Adonai Echad. It's a holy place. This was the Bet Knesset. Here we're going to see the main room. You can see the old Magen David that's still remains from many years ago.